Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to modify the date format in ClickUp. This procedure is very simple and easy to complete. To start, move your cursor to your profile image in the top right corner and click on it. Next, choose the Settings option from the list. Once the page loads, scroll down until you locate the Time and Date Format section. This area allows you to control how your scheduling information is displayed. You can choose whether your calendar week begins on Sunday or Monday. You also have the choice between using a 24-hour or a 12-hour time format. Furthermore, you can adjust the specific date layout right here, choosing to display the month, day, or year first based on your preference. After you have made your selections, just click the Save Changes button located at the bottom of the screen. It really is that straightforward. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial.